Once upon a time, in a deep jungle, there lived a magnificent and powerful lion named King Leo. King Leo was indeed the undisputed king of the jungle, and he had many loyal lion subjects. He ruled over the jungle with fairness and took great care of all the jungle creatures. His most prized possession was his beautiful and intelligent lioness, Queen Maya. One day, a massive and ferocious challenger, a rogue lion named Scar, entered the jungle. Scar had his eyes set on taking over the kingdom. He challenged King Leo to a battle for the throne. King Leo, though initially perturbed, knew he had to protect his kingdom and his beloved queen. He accepted Scar's challenge, and preparations for the battle began. King Leo trained his lion subjects tirelessly. He instilled in them the importance of courage and unity. They spent days and nights perfecting their combat skills and devising a strategic plan. Queen Maya, too, played a crucial role by offering her wisdom and guidance. The day of the battle arrived, and a great showdown ensued between the two lions. The fight was fierce, and the jungle echoed with roars and growls. Both lions displayed immense strength and bravery, but King Leo's superior strategy and the unity of his lion subjects prevailed. In the end, King Leo emerged victorious, driving Scar away from the jungle forever. The jungle celebrated their beloved king's triumph, and Queen Maya's eyes sparkled with pride and love. King Leo's reign continued, and he ruled the jungle with even more wisdom and compassion. His subjects admired him not only for his strength but also for his intelligence and leadership. He and Queen Maya enjoyed a peaceful and prosperous life together, their bond stronger than ever. The lion's triumph teaches us that strength, when combined with wisdom and unity, can overcome even the most formidable challenges. It is a story of courage, leadership, and the enduring power of love and friendship in the face of adversity.